Hey guys, Bill Jew here. Made a lot of progress. We did, let's see the little list here. Radiator sport, radiator, power steering lines, power steering pump, alternator connections, and starter connections. We did the coolant, the harness, the trans harness, the two grounds on the frame on each side of the engine. Got the battery out, just did the engine mounts, the trans mounts earlier today, fluids, and slave cylinder. So really all I had left were the fuel lines here because I didn't want the garage smelling like fuel. And I had to cut the line, unfortunately, because it was the original rubber line and it's stuck to the fuel regulator, or whatever that is on the Z. You can see it got hooked up with a 10,000 pound strap. I got a lot of extra slack, so I just put it on top, but we got it settled. I just got the engine mounts out and we're about to pull it. So this is going to be my first ever engine pull. Wish me luck. I do want to mention that before we start, we have a fire extinguisher there. There's a second one in the car. There's also a third one somewhere in the garage. I'm gonna find that real quick. But besides that, Lynn's going to be on standby. She's going to make sure I don't kill myself. So, be right back. All right, guys, motor and the transmission is out. I'm gonna find a place for this to go. I did snag the power steering line, so I'm gonna clean that up. And you know, this is a common worry on pulling out an engine. That's my fault, but it's out. And I don't think I kinked any part of it, so maybe I can I'll use some heat or something and maybe put it back where it is OEM wise. But hey, empty engine bay. Now I just got to remove those coolant hoses. I'm gonna plug up that fuel line and that evap line, and then we'll pressure wash this and it's ready for the bay, or not the bay, the new engine once we get that. My dumb butt forgot to remove the shifter, so I had trouble taking that out. But yeah, engine's out. Wife is right there. She is my savior tonight because she's like, you should not be taking this engine out by yourself. But
supervisor.
She's my supervisor. But yeah, I'm sweaty. I'm gonna put this on the floor somewhere and take the car off jack stands and shove it back over there. So thanks for watching. We'll get this on the ground, tear it down, and then we're waiting for that new motor. See you guys.